Hello. Once again, I'm back on my old trustworthy Dell Alienware M17 R5 AMD Edition. Once again, I'm recording locally and streaming today on YouTube live service. I just noticed that the stream is alive and kicking, so I think we are safe to start already. And let me show you the system information first and foremost, and then I will come back to Twitch. So yeah, as you can notice, I fixed this from yesterday issue and also customized this one. Yeah, I'm still getting ahead of myself. System settings, system, about, system details, and here we are. Dell Alienware M17 R5 AMD Edition. It has 32 GB of RAM and 2 TB of SD storage space. It's AMD Ryzen 9 CPU, 6900HX, and the GPU is also an AMD Radeon RX Radeon 6800M. And I'm running Fedora Workstation Edition version 44, GNOME on Wayland, and it has the Linux kernel 7. So let's go now to the terminal. Let's zoom in a bit. I think this is fine. You can pause the stream and take a good look, or the video when it will be available later on my YouTube channel. But I want you to pay attention on the screen resolution. It's full 4K, 17-inch display, 3840 by 2160, running at 120 Hz. Today I'm streaming and recording in this full 4K resolution, but streaming and recording at 30 FPS. So with that out of the way, what is Fedora and what is GNOME? Let's check out the website, the official website that is of Fedora. This is it. It's your operating system, an innovative platform for hardware, clouds and containers built with love by you. 100% free and open source. Latest release 44. Fedora project has many versions. I'm using, as I said, Fedora Workstation. They also have Fedora KD Plasma Desktop, Fedora Server, Fedora Cloud, Fedora CoreOS, Fedora IoT. They have even more options: Atomic Desktops, Fedora Spins, Fedora Labs, miscellaneous downloads. And what is Fedora Workstation? Learn more. Fedora Workstation, the leading Linux desktop, a beautiful, high-quality desktop featuring GNOME, built on the latest open-source technology, trusted, powerful, and easy. Why Fedora Workstation? And it goes on and explain why that is. And then this is GNOME, an independent computing platform for everyone, a more elegant way to use your computer, and blah blah blah. So yeah, these two go hand in hand basically. And I haven't tried any other Fedora versions, but I'm pleasantly surprised with this one. I don't know how to put this. It has passed all the tests really, and without make you wait any longer, yes, it does run DaVinci Resolve Studio, the latest version, just fine. And by latest version, I'm talking about the officially released, not the beta version, the public beta of 21, but I'm talking about the version 20. So yeah, little to no troubles with this one. I'll just load it for you. I'm not a benchmarks guy, and I'm just passing along what I experience here on this system. So this is my small project that I have just tried to use. I will show you. On my past video regarding Ubuntu, I had the problem with even this simple thing, but here, as you can see, no problem. Even while streaming, recording 4K, no problem at all. So here we are. I'll go at any point in time. This is my yesterday's video that I have on my YouTube channel. So listen to it. is now the absolute source for sending the stream, and Enterprise Linux uses its own default icon, which is especially in this dark setup and here it is, Dell Alienware. So yeah, as you can see, and I can jump on Fairlight and try this again. 17 R5 AMD, 3800 hello. Once again, I'm back on my own. So yeah, as you can see, no problem whatsoever. On the surface level of it, it works just fine. I'm not a DaVinci Resolve expert. I have this version, I don't know for how long, it's like since 16, version 16 if I remember correctly. So I haven't used it in the past many years. I used it back then at the release 16 and maybe up to 17. I'm not sure about it, I don't recall, sorry. But this version installed just fine on the system. I will have all the necessary steps in my guide for it. And I just needed to convert my video file. It was like a few seconds really, to convert the audio of my video file, which was an MKV. You know, I will show you again my settings. I forgot about it. These are my settings, my OBS settings. Basically, I'm using, where is it? Sorry. I've shown you this before, but let's just stay for a moment here in the video. Full 4K resolution, as I said, recording, streaming, no downscale, 30 FPS. And these are the quality of the streaming and the recording. And as you can see, I'm using FMPEG AAC for the audio and FMPEG VAPI H264 for the video. And using the same thing both for the stream and the recording, as you can see. And I'm using the MKV, Matroska video. So basically, and 30,000 bitrate, sorry, forgot to mention this. So what happened is this, after I'm done with the video, I just went ahead and I just hide the application now. As soon as I finished the capture and I tried to install the system and all that, the DaVinci complete system, complete studio version, let me show you, because they have many apps as well. It's like a DaVinci control panel setup, BlackMagic Raw Player, BlackMagic Raw Speed Test, DaVinci Remote Monitor, uninstall DaVinci Resolve, and of course the icon that I have on the dock here, DaVinci Resolve, the app. So basically, after the install went fine, I just had to set my system to use the OpenCL and the GPU that I prefer to use, which is the 6800M, the discrete GPU basically. After that, I just had to convert the audio. I will repeat, it took few seconds, like 2, 3, 4, just like in a blink of an eye, so to speak, because the video file was about 20 something minutes. Anyway, then I just drag and drop the video file on the project, and it was that simple. And then, as you can see now, I can jump anywhere to the project and play back the project. I have lowered the volume, that's why you don't hear. So yeah, that's the Linux kernel 7. Yeah, as you can see, no problem at all. And one thing that I noticed, because it was too good to be true, everything. One thing that I noticed was that after quitting the app, I didn't have much time to take care of it, and I need to learn more about it in order to solve this issue. When I quit the app for some time, I don't know, maybe 5-10 minutes, I haven't exactly pinpointed the problem, the issue. My GPU is getting used still. So I don't know if that's the problem, because I was trying to record something and then was using the DaVinci Resolve, because I tried that to do it offline first. If it was that the problem or something else going on, but I'll let you know about it maybe tomorrow if everything will go well. But other than that, no problem whatsoever. streaming, recording, grabbing my video, converting it very fast, and boom, inside the DaVinci Resolve to manipulate and edit the file. And I will try to ask someone that I know to come and visit me and work the system. He's an expert on DaVinci Resolve. And then I will let you know, I will pass his judgment, his experience on using this system with the DaVinci Resolve, and will share his opinion on this matter. But as far as I'm concerned, compared to Ubuntu, this is a great success. And perhaps this is my first time, now that I'm thinking about it, that I have such a great ABC installation and use of DaVinci Resolve in recent memory. Yeah, I think this was it. I don't want to drag this any longer. Yeah, I'm not sure. One little thing, this one. I liked it quite a lot. I was searching for such a simple thing, something to have my network speed up there. So I found this little gem. It's colorful as well because I like colors and all that. And all these things, all my extensions, all the steps to install the DaVinci Resolve, the necessary graphics files, everything I will have in my guide when it will be ready for Fedora Workstation Edition GNOME in the next few days. And I don't know, maybe I will stick a little bit more with Fedora, but I will see about it. So I'm not sure what will happen in the next day or 2 days or so. So maybe we will stick with Fedora for the next couple days. Else I will maybe move to another Linux distribution, which I still haven't decided which one is going to be. But yeah, this was it for today. Hopefully you liked what you saw. Hopefully you liked the success of running DaVinci Resolve Studio on this amazing Fedora 44 version. Yeah, and as always, thank you for everything. See you on the next one. Bye!